Today I'm going to show you how to clean this small filter. This is a main Baxi boiler and they got this small filter installed. So today we're gonna clean this filter. So let's start. Make sure you keep this cup with you because water gonna come out from here. Can you see how dirty it is from inside? I'm going to clean it. It's nice and clean now, as you can see. And now we're going to put this back on. So every 6 months try to clean this as well with the main filter. And make sure you don't lose this rubber seal. So we're going to put this back. As you can see, the rubber seal here, which is very important. That's it, it's all done. This is the way you clean this filter as well. Thank you for watching my video.